another YouTube video. Look where I am. Say hi, Jessica. Hi. I'm wearing the measuring tape and I'm in my sewing fort with my sewing machines, such as they are. All 4 of them. 5 of them? There's a lot of them anyways, but I'll only be probably using 2 or maybe even 1 today. You know what that means? It's another sewing video. And this is a very exciting sewing video because this is my 2nd video that I'm making for someone who ordered something from me from YouTube, actually. Someone watched my videos and was like, hey, you sew pretty cool. Do you want to make me something? And I said, fuck yeah, let's do that. Especially because this is something for a man, which is exciting because I really do not believe that there is enough cool clothing content for dudes on YouTube. They really get the short end of the stick on that. All over the place, there's broads being like, look at my pretty dress. Also, by the way, look at my pretty dress. It has pockets. It has pockets, which means I'm going to put all of my sewing supplies in my pockets and immediately forget where they are for most of the video. So this gentleman designed this, we're going to call it a skirt. I don't know, cargo skirt kind of thing. Designed it himself, told me what he wanted. I drew a terrible picture of it to make sure we were talking about the same thing. And we were. And it's going to have a lot of pockets, which is amazing because everyone needs pockets. And you guys know as well as I do, any of you skirt wearing folks out there, very rarely have pockets. So if you get a skirt with pockets, you're doing fucking great. And we're going to put like 6 or 8 pockets on this thing. So it's going to be amazing. Let me show you what we came up with for a design. All right, so here's what I drew, such as it is. So it's going to be a sort of cargo style skirt. Like I said, we're going to do like big ass 1990s style pockets on the front here. I'm going to do cargo pockets on the side. We're going to trim the whole thing in grommet tape, which is really exciting. Got some pockets on the back here. This is my impersonation of drawing belt loops, which I know isn't wonderful, but whatever. So that's really exciting. Going to put some domes on it. I think we're going to put the zipper on the outside because that's really fun. So this is the pile of fabric that I have for it. This is heavy canvas twill type stuff. I back corsets in this. I make all sorts of shit out of it. It's great, heavy duty, all purpose fabric. We got a zipper. I got some D-rings because I might add some extra hardware because like that's what I do. A shitload of grommet tape and some scissors. So let's get started chalking out his pattern. Alright, so now we have this, which doesn't look terribly exciting, but I promise it is. This is the base for our skirt. How fun, all the correct measurements. This will shortly be a waistband for the top of the skirt, which I'm very excited about. And I have this pile of scraps, which I'm not throwing out because I'm going to use it to cut belt loops. So now I'm going to get out my cutting mat and cutting wheel, which I haven't used in forever, so that's terribly exciting. Let's go! Okay, so now we have this, which took an extraordinarily long time to make squares. But if the edges aren't straight, your life will be hell, which is why I got the cutting mat. So these are going to be our belt loops. These are going to be our back pockets. Those are going to be our cargo pockets. And these are going to be our giant ass front pockets. I still have some more squares to cut, but this is good enough for now. So I'm going to place them on the skirt and figure out what the fuck we're getting up to. Okay, so now we have this. I cut these dudes, these pockets. They're going to go sort of on here like this. I don't know if you can see them because they're black on black, but there's going to be big cargo pockets there. And I split that so we can put the zipper. I think I'm going to put it on top as like an aesthetic choice because we're going to have the grommet tape. So like more hardware is good in my opinion. So now we're going to move over to the sewing machines and get started on actually sewing the pockets together. So now we have this finished pockets. I know they don't look very much different, but I did put seams all the way around the edge. These are our cargo pockets, which are not quite finished yet. For the sides, these are going to be our back pockets. So now we're going to start using our grommet tape and add trim to stuff. All right, now we have these. I just placed them on the skirt. They're not sewn down yet. But we have, those are going to be the 2 front pockets. Those are going to be the 2 butt pockets. So we have that, and I have to install the zipper. So we're going to pin those on, sew that, and then we can get sewing the skirt together finally. Holy Jesus. Let's go. to look like a skirt, kind of, sort of. So we got pockets sewn on that you can actually put your hand in. Oh my God. We got the zipper, so he can get his bum in there, which is great. We got the back pockets sewn on. So now I'm gonna sew these two bitches together, serge everything, and then we're gonna worry about the waistband. I'm gonna do my impersonation of Cold Chamber now. Ready? Go! Oh my God, you guys! Is it kind of looking like a skirt? Look, it's sewn together. It has trim on the bottom. It is kind of looking like a skirt, and I'm so fucking excited. It's great. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna make this super duper long thing into a waistband for it. We're gonna pin on the cargo pockets, and we're gonna deal with belt loops. So it looks like it's almost done, but sadly it is not. I have much to go, so let's keep going. Alright, cargo pockets are sewn on. Isn't this fun? Look at how fun. Cargo pockets. Cargo pockets. So yeah, so I have to put the lids or flaps or whatever you want to call them on the cargo pockets. But I forgot, we have to add domes. So I got some domes and I got these two little squares of like real thick leather. I got to punch some holes in them and insert them inside these so that he doesn't rip the domes out when he goes to use the pocket, which would be very unfortunate. So I guess we're going over to the smashing table. See you there. All right, you guys, we have domes in our cargo pockets. See? There's the top of it, so that's gonna fold over like that, and then it will have a pocket, which is great. And I also got some D-rings, and I'm gonna add more hardware, because that's what I fucking do. Can never leave it alone, gotta add more hardware. Let's keep sewing. It's done! It's done. I'm sorry it doesn't fit my mannequin correctly. I only have a female mannequin, obviously, which you can see from the boobs. So it's not going down far enough to sit correctly on her hips. But anyway, at least it gives you the idea. Look at how great it is. Look at how great it is. Pockets on the side and everything. I'm gonna flip her around so you can see the back of it in a minute. But I fucking love this. Everyone needs a utility cargo skirt. Hang on, I'll show you the back. And the back. Is it not fantastic? Look at all the pockets. Like 6 pockets, all totally functional, snaps everywhere, the grommet tape. This is fucking awesome. I added these little D-rings because I couldn't help myself. Because I couldn't help myself from adding more hardware. That way he can add bondage straps if he wants to, or like whatever. And I also added a cute little skull charm on the zipper. Isn't this fun? I added like a tiny little skull and crossbones for the zipper pull because I thought that was super fucking fun. Anyway, here it is. And like I said, guys really get the short end of the stick when it comes to goth clothes. So like, this is fucking awesome. So there you have it, the end of this video. I decided to do it sitting down so that you can take in some more of the beauty of this awesome fucking utility skirt that turned out so cool. Now I might have to make myself one. Or one for Brody. Usually when I sew boys stuff, it's for like Brody. So it's actually really exciting to sew for like a different boy, which is really cool. So I hope you liked this video, and I hope you liked this awesome skirt. And if you did, if you could please give it a thumbs up. That would be amazing. If you want to subscribe to my channel for more awesome sewing content and whatever else we decide to fucking put up, you can. That'd be even more great. If you want to follow me on Instagram, I'm under Madame_Absinthe for outfit pictures. Also on Twitter, Madame_Absinthe for makeup. Not that it's totally great today, but whatever. I put other stuff on Twitter too. If you want to ring the bell, you can get notifications when we put out new videos. Maybe sewing, maybe other shit. Who knows? Ring the bell. What else? Oh, if you want to buy me a Ko-fi, you can do that too. Ko-fi.com/MadameAbsinthe. It supports the maintenance of my sewing machines and my fabric art. And also, we're trying to buy ourselves some, like, studio lights and shit and, like, microphones to make the videos better. Because, like, I've been doing this a while, so I think maybe it's time we get ourselves some proper filming equipment if we can. That'd be cool. And if you want to check out my Depop, we have a bunch of secondhand stuff up on Depop. Some of mine, some of Brody's, some of Jessica's, whatever. All on Depop if you want to check it out there at depop.com/MadameAbsinthe. And I think that's it. Like, subscribe, ring the bell for notifications. Follow me on all the things. Buy me a Ko-fi if you want to. Check out my Depop. I hope this gentleman loves his skirt and will send me some pictures of him wearing it. That'd be fantastic. And I'll see you guys around for my next YouTube video, whatever that is. I don't even know. Bye. Bye, everybody. Say bye, skirt. Bye-bye. Bye-bye, everyone. I'm going to my new home in the USA now.